To fix your Instagram followers count decreasing, this is exactly what you need to do. So I'm going to bring you over a step-by-step guide on what you need to do. So as you can see, I have currently 52 followers on my account. However, if it decides to be 51 or 50 or maybe even 49, that is actually completely normal. That just means that someone has randomly decided to unfollow me and my account. So that is basically just a natural unfollow. However, if I'm standing at like 1,000 followers and then overnight it drops down to 650 or something like that, then you can see there's a massive drop. Then basically this is what you need to do to fix it. What you want to do is basically head on over to your 3 lines here and then click on settings and privacy. From here, you want to scroll all the way down and then click on account. And now you want to click on help, click on report a problem, and click on report problem without shaking. Now you can click on include and continue. And now you want to tell Instagram the bug that you have with basically everyone unfollowing your Instagram account. And as you can see here, I basically wrote a message to Instagram saying that my followers dropped from 1,000 to like 650. Can you please check this out and restore the followers if you can? And then basically if you click on send right over here, then Instagram is going to take a couple hours up to maybe 1 or 2 days to respond back. And then they will basically recover all your lost followers.